Data visualization in Python using Matplotlib. Lesson number 2. In our first lesson on data visualization, we have learned the basics of Matplotlib library, especially the usage of the plot method and various formatting options. In this lesson we will learn more about data visualization using Matplotlib library. So, let's begin. In this lesson, instead of feeding the data manually, we will use a .csv file with our data. We will read the .csv file using pandas. The contents of the sales.csv file is opened in the text editor and also in the spreadsheet application. It has 3 columns: region, number of customers, and revenue. Now let's read this CSV file using pandas read_CSV function. Just follow me along while I code. Importing the Matplotlib and pandas libraries. Creating a pandas data frame object df from the sale.csv file. Let's first view the contents of the data frame df. As we can see, the df contains the values read from the sales.csv file. Let's plot the number of customers against various region. We will access these values from our data frame df. Let's display the chart as drawn by the plot method. And here is our chart. It is drawn using the data read from the sales.csv file. Let's add title, X label, and Y label to the chart. Here, the X coordinate is used for the various regions and Y coordinate is used from revenue for the corresponding region. Now run the code again and see the modified chart. Now the chart has a proper title, X and Y coordinates are labeled. That is, the chart is more meaningful now. We may also add the grid lines to the chart. Grid lines helps us to read the values more accurately. As we can see, the chart contains grid lines for both X and Y coordinates. Now let's format the chart with colors, markers and line styles. Just observe our code changes and the corresponding output. These are already explained in our first lesson on data visualization. Let's change the marker size, make it bigger. See the size of the marker, here the triangles, it's bigger than the default size. This is how we can easily plot a chart using data from a CSV file. Isn't it easy? Please remember that we have read the data from a CSV file, but pandas allows many other file formats also. Now we will generate various types of graphs from the same data frame. Bar chart, vertical. Bar chart, horizontal. Scatter plot. Step plot. Stem plot. Scatter plot with few more arguments for size, color, etc. Scatter plot with color bar. Histogram for the number of customers. Boxplot. Violin plot. Pie chart. This is all for this lesson. Hope that you have got a fairly good idea about different types of Matplotlib charts. These are for demonstration purpose. We will learn every chart types in more details in our next lessons. Matplotlib is vast, and first we need to learn the basics and then we may proceed to the complex ones. Thank you very much for watching this lesson up to the end. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Waiting for your valuable comments and likes. Happy coding, bye.